Hi guys, Kyung here, and I'm super excited because my Shabby Chic travel kit is finished, yay! And it's a little late. I was hoping to get it done by the beginning of September, but we didn't get it done by then. But here it is. It's 27 pages. Here's the first page. I have 6 main pages, so this is like the first main page. And this is what it is printed on a laser printer. Look at the difference, isn't it so different? I don't know. I feel like my laser printer really needs serviced. It doesn't pick up the colors as well, but it does get the detail better, right? But look, I've got these purple lines. But anyway, and it's also printed, this one is printed on cardstock. So the printer you use, right, and the paper you use really makes a difference because I didn't alter this image in any way. I just printed it on 2 different papers on 2 different printers. But there it is, the first page. This was printed on my Eco printers, so the rest of these were printed on the Eco printer. Here's the second page. My Shabby Chic travel kit. And this is my first Shabby Chic kit, my first pink one. I've never done kind of a pink Shabby Chic kit before. This one is dedicated to Auntie Triza, who is a big supporter of mine. And I asked her what kind of kits, if I could make her a kit, what would it be? Any kit. And she said lace, right, and doilies, or travel kit, or purple coffee paper. And originally, this is the last page of the main pages. And next we move on. I have 4 lined pages. But so I was going to make a purple, coffee dyed, lacy, travel kit. But it ended up not working out. Instead, I made the purple coffee paper, which will also be on sale. I'll have a coupon for that as well. And then the coupon for this kit. So I'll offer 40% off for 30 days. How about that? So that'll be from today onward for 30 days. So mid-October. Dum dum. So there's the 4th. Oh, here it is. Here's the 4th. Is this the 4th? The 4th lined page. So I have a few lined pages. Here are what I call floral pages. So there's quite a few of those. There's this one and this one that I love. So I tried to include doilies and lace all throughout the kit. And pretty roses and touches of travel, Here is the next one. Pretty floral page. And then 2 more. So here's a pink dot. And then I have a stripe. So there's that. And then, which I think is ticking. This might be ticking. Yeah, I think it is. This is a rose pretty background page, right? Oh, I forgot to cut the bottoms off of these. Here's a lace background page and a clock one. And then a pretty doily one on a briefcase or something. I thought it looked like a travel case or something. That, if you see, that's from, because I printed this on a scrap paper. And that leaves us to ephemera. So I only made a few pages of ephemera for this kit. I made some journaling cards. So there are those. I made a bunch of these little stamps or little images. I love these little collage images. And I use them a lot in my journals, so I try to include them. Here are some tags. Pretty tags and some words, and then some altered telegrams, pretty floral telegrams. These look darker than, because these ones were printed on the laser with the on the cardstock, so the colors are a little different than the main pages, but they're the same. It matches Yay! So, and then this is the last page of the ephemera. So there we go, 27 pages in all. It's $3, but I'll have a 40% off coupon down below. It'll be SEP1, so September, SEP1, and I'll run it longer than September. I'll run it through till mid-October. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it and everything. I had fun making it and everything. I'll talk to you later. Bye!